up, YouTube? Listen, family, Friday is in the books. You guys already know Friday sets the standard. So if you make money this week, today, in either direction, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys. So please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. You guys already know, wrapping up another week. Definitely about to love on the family. We kicking it off with May because the two people that's tapped in today are great examples of what we're going to do for next week. Okay, so be ready. I'll just tell it to you. Okay, ain't gotta hold you guys here long. Be ready to make money in both directions. Okay, if you are around here, that's the assumption I'm making. When plays are going up, I'm assuming you are going up with the play. But with stocks start going to the downside, if we have another crash next week like we did this week, I'm expecting you guys to be making money in both directions. Check out May. Coach, I finally made $1,000 in a day with a put and a call. This absolutely made my day. So that lets me know she's embracing making money in both directions. This is what you guys should be saying to me. If you are guys on the money team, you guys already know we have puts, our puts printed this week. But everybody else, if you're in the Discord, if you're watching these free YouTube videos, guys, you should be doing exactly what May laid out. Though the sum is with two different tickers, we did it. The candles don't play. I ended the trading day with journaling everything I saw and how I executed the downside and rolled it to the upside. You see this level of detail and nuance. You need to do this on your game. I preach about tracking your results, journaling. This is what May is articulating here, okay? And so because she wrote down and journaled everything she saw, she was able to make the move and see it. I told you, first half of the day, they might crash. Second half of the day, they'll go up. That's an opportunity for you to make money on the crash with puts. Crash means down. So that means you should be doing puts when it's crashing. Once it's done crashing, okay, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 noon-ish, then it's going to start going up for the rest of the day. You buy calls. This is what she did. This is how she executed. One thing I learned and continue to learn is to get rid of all emotions and not be biased. This is a fact. Thank you for sharing your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend. May, you absolutely made my day. Now, guys, check this out. Darren got absolutely busy. He said, Coach, let's get surgical. Peace and love. Happy, holy day. What a week. But Friday sets the standard. You absolutely right, D. He said, I got busy today. This morning, the SPY ran at 577 tests too early, and I was waiting with a 570 put. So he was already in the cut. This is what I mean. You got to be in sniper mode. You have to be anticipating these moves to happen. I'm going to lay them out for you every day in Discord. You should always, if nothing else, you should be killing Tesla and the SPY. Look at this. He was already laying in the cut, waiting for that 577 test. He had a 570 put on deck. He said, my entry could have been a little better. I love that acknowledgement. I love that transparency. He said, but I figured they would run the 565 test. So I held the play till 566 and I hit and cut it for 50% gain for a profit of $138. I love this. I love this. I sat and watched as the SPY filled this gap down and started looking for calls that may, this is what I'm just, you see how Darren and May played the game so brilliantly, guys. This morning in Discord, I told you we're crashing again. The stock's gonna go down. Boom. I told you the levels is gonna hit this and then shoot down all day. Boom. SPY did it. Tesla did it. All your plays did it because the SPY runs the stock market. Okay, so whatever the SPY do, your play, no matter what you're doing, is going to do the same thing. Start looking at the charts and watch how similar they look. Okay. Then he said, I sat and watched the SPY fill this gap down here and started looking for calls that made sense around 572 at the low of day at 84 cents. I got in for $1, got out near resistance for a 300. He hit a 3x. Oh my God, 366% for $366. Appreciate you, Coach. The levels are always spot on, and I hope this sentiment is changing in the market, but ready for both directions. Sniper gang. Listen, Listen. That's what I wanted to prepare you for. We might have one more week. If next week is a crash, I want you guys to get ready. We about to start going back to the upside. But even if it crashes, you should be ready to make money to the downside, okay? It's bull trap season. So it's going to go up. It's going to fake everybody out. You buy a put when it go up, it's going to come right back down. Let me know if you guys seen that action all this week. And let me know if you guys are thankful for the bull trap lesson that we have pounded home the past 7 days, okay? Major shout out to May. Major shout out to Darren. Check this out, guys. Following what I teach you guys in Discord, look at my play. Okay, Tesla tried to run up today at 10:21 a.m. I jumped in, I saw it going up. I already knew it's a bull trap. Okay, and then check this out. At 10:31, we were in and out just like a sniper. Okay, we packed up our rifle and got up out of there. Guys, this was 9 minutes, $10,000. I have did this 10 times in the last 2 weeks. All this week, I did the same exact thing. All last week, I did the same exact thing. Okay? Everyone wasn't a put. Like May and Darren said, some of them, I caught the upward move. But it was the same action, same thing. So if you join the money team this week, guys, I want to see you in there ready to make money in both directions. I'm probably going to give you calls and puts just because we're going to have one more week of crashes. So if the cause is not the move, you go with your puts, okay? Everybody else be in the Discord because you know I don't miss inside the Discord. The SPY and Tesla should still do you right, okay? Until you guys are ready to join the money team, all right? So look at this, guys. We are going to cover the market real quick, and then I got some plays for you for next week that's going to skyrocket, okay? But check this out. Okay, covering the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. Yes, they finished today with a $3.16 move on the day, but for the week it was down $10, almost 2%. And at the low of the week, guys, it was down 3% at 567. So because they tested that level, okay, you already know. Once we hit the bull trap this week, if the stock market crash continue, everybody write down 567.07. There are no coincidences in the stock market. Whatever price they show you, look at this price right here, 5794, 574.95, 567.07. You guys are going to see those Monday, just to make it plain for you guys, okay? When we go down, when we crash next week, starting Monday, it's coming to this level right here. So already be ready for it. Let it go up though, okay? It's about patience. You make more money when you learn to be patient, okay? Just showing you guys that don't ever run from a crash. From an investing standpoint, it gives us a chance to buy low. From a trader standpoint, we're unbiased and unemotional, so we're making money in both directions, okay? Please remember that note for me, guys. Check this out. Palantir, all right? Holding strong, still getting whooped. Was up 1%, almost 2% on the week. Okay, look at these levels down here. Okay, support right now is at $79. Okay, I bet this is 79 too. Yep, $79.50 is support. Okay, resistance is $91. That's your range. Okay, it's going to ping pong back and forth. So if you want to make money trading Palantir, okay, you get in closer to 79. Long as it hold, you ride it up to 84 or no higher than 91, and it's going to crash back down. Okay, so the bull trap would be it running up here to at $91, and then when it get to $91, this is the bull trap. Boom, it fall all the way from 91 to 79. That's the bull trap. Okay, when it get to 79, you can buy a call, and it's going to go up towards 85. All right, that's just how the game go. Don't run from it. Don't let it deter you. Embrace it. Okay, figure out how you can maneuver. Many of you are doing an extremely phenomenal job with it. Okay, and then Uber, this one was up 3% this past week, sitting at $76. Look at this one. This is just a rinse and repeat over and over. It comes to 72 or 73, and then it goes up to 76. Okay, They have resistance at 76 and 78, and then it come right back down, guys, to 72. If you learn your levels, you can change your life. You can just play within the range. If it's up on a higher end of the range, it's not going on higher, so you ride it down to the lower end of the range. If you catch it and get it when it's on the lower end of the range, long as it don't fall further, long as it doesn't crash further, it's going up. It's just going to ping pong back and forth within the range, okay? Keep the game simple, all right? And then a play that's going to skyrocket this week, shout out to the money team. This is a money team play, but Lockheed Martin got absolutely busy. None of this tariff stuff impacts it. It went down maybe one day, but every day this week, this mug went absolutely crazy. This stock will skyrocket again next week, closing the gap that it left. And so be ready for this. Again, put this on your radar, whether you're on the money team or not. Just if you need to know, like, man, I'm not comfortable buying puts, what play is going to go up? This will be one of the ones. You still got to let it pull back, though, guys. Look at this. Okay. This play was 439. We took it all the way to 476. This kind of stuff changed your life, okay? And so you have to know that. But on the pullback, look at this high right here. This wick right here, boom, 466. So if we can pull back to 466, this should go to around 473 to 477, 480-ish for next week. You don't just get in and buy it way at the high. You let it. You want it to. Look at this right here. It was 463. It pulled back to 455. This is where you buy it at, knowing it's coming back to 463. Never chase, never buy high, never have FOMO, okay? Once you do that, boom, it's going to bounce and rocket from 455 all the way to 476. Next week, the level going to be 466, and it's going to skyrocket to 486. Learn the game, change your life, guys. Do not let Wall Street make you give up on something that can truly change the trajectory for you, your family, your kids, and all that, okay? This game is a science. You can't try to get rich quick. You need to learn how to read the charts. All of this stuff that I teach and show every day matters, okay? Don't worry, we get another chance to do it all again next week. Everybody be in the Discord first thing Monday morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team. Feel free to paper trade or do any of those things, guys, to sharpen your skills up to get the feel if you need to before putting your hard-earned money at risk and you're unsure about some things, okay? I don't like paper trading. I prefer you lose real money because there's lessons in that just fake free money can't teach you. But if you need to, if you need to learn how to do the stop loss, if you need to learn how coach makes money in both directions, you can still use paper trading to get some of that out the way before trying to join the money team, okay? We're going to always welcome you with open arms. Everybody get it in by Sunday night at 9:30. Please make sure your PayPal email is correct. So update it in the account settings if you haven't already. Many of you doing a phenomenal job with that. But listen, guys, we're going to get up out of here. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.